Hey y'all, it's Nishay here again, and today I'm doing an unboxing video for some hair that I bought off of Amazon. But before we get into it, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this hair that I got from Amazon, it was only like $78, and it's from a brand called Mariska. I had never heard of it, and also there were no product reviews. But I took a chance, so today we're going to do an unboxing. And from what I can tell, it really won't be an unboxing because it came in this Amazon package. So, yeah. So, it's not in a box. Maybe it's in a bag. Hopefully, it's in a cute little bag. Because that really means they care, in my opinion. Alright, it is in a little bag. Here's the bag. And with this hair, I got a 14, a 16, and 2 18s. So let me open it up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Okay, so the closure that I got is a 14. Let me open it up and see how it feels. You know, sometimes closures feel different than the hair itself. I don't know why that is. I'm going to need companies to do better. Okay, so far it looks good. It's a natural black. It feels really nice and silky. Okay, it really does. It's a body wave. This is the closure. This is the back of it. I think it's a free part, so I gotta find it. You know, you always gotta customize the part anyways. We'll figure that out when I make the wig. So after this video, I will do a review of the hair itself, like after I've worn it for a little while. So here's an 18. So far, ooh, child, I hope this is gonna be long enough. Is this an 18? I've gotten 18 before from like other companies, and it looked longer. But maybe once I put it in the way, okay, this is fine. This is what I wanted. Okay, it'll be natural. But yeah, it does feel really silky, soft, and you see the shine. Has a nice luster in there. So let me read off the back. It doesn't have the hair company that I ordered from on here. Okay, but it says hair for you, 100% human hair. 100% Brazilian human hair, natural black color, and the weight is 100 grams plus minus 5 grams. I don't know what that means. I'm not good with math and geometry and all that stuff. So yeah, soft and full, no shedding. All hair sheds, even your own hair sheds. I watch this. My hair sheds. Come on. What else does it say? It can be dyed. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like every other hair that you get. It doesn't smell strong. You just have a little smell to it. Like, I guess like it's been sitting in a package for a while. And now I'm going to test out this 16-inch. But yeah, this company is called Mariska Hair on Amazon. It had no reviews or anything like that, but it was very cheap. Okay, very cheap. So this is the 16. Let me measure this. Okay, that's about right. Yeah. So it'll look kind of, you know, natural for me. And they also were very nice, and they sent me these little eyelashes. I would like to call these emergency lashes. Something you use when you're out of your lashes. So yeah, I will be making a wig out of this hair. And I will give you a review on that. I haven't decided on should I do like a 1 week or like a month review yet. But I will do one just to let you know how this Mariska Hair stood up. Because it was cheap. Like I said, it was only like $78. Now let me tell you about the shipping of this. It took it a little while. Longer than when I've like ordered like Synergia hair or any hair that I've ordered before. It took like a week and some days to get to me. When normally like I've ordered hair like on a Friday and got it the next Tuesday. When I ordered this on a Sunday and got it 2 Tuesdays after. So a whole week and 2 days. Ooh. That fell off. Okay. But thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this video, and also share, let your friends know about me, because I will be back with more videos. And thank you for watching. And I'm going to say it again. I'm going to just one more time. Subscribe. Hold on, wait, you guys. I did find this in the package. Something fell. But it's a little card, and let me read it to you. It has a happy face, and it says, if you're satisfied, we would be grateful if you could leave us positive review and feedback with 5-star review. And it has like, why would I leave it? Item as described, 5 stars. Communication, 5 stars. And shipping speed, 5 stars. An unhappy rating if you are unsatisfied, please contact us first. Okay, so they don't want you to write a review if you're unsatisfied. We'll guarantee to give you the best solution. I don't know what that would be. But it also has their email address and the phone number and WhatsApp. And from what I see, it says Zyrong Hair. Remember I told you it was Mariska Hair. But this thing says Zyrong Hair. And also on this little like how-to card, it says it, you know, how to wash the hair and comb it and to measure it. It says Zyrong Hair at 163.com. See if you see this. So yeah, okay. I'm confused on why this would be called Zyrong Hair when the description said Mariska Hair, Mariska. Mariska. So I will give them feedback on this and also give you guys feedback. So stay tuned.